welcome to this new EarnBIT AMA. We have loads of exciting updates, and I would like to thank you for all the likes, subscriptions, and shares. They really help us get ahead. So let's delve into their September progress, the news, and their announcements. Our team has collected all your questions from our Telegram chat, social media platforms, emails, and more. So, first of all, I'd like to talk about the ongoing EarnBIT competition. It's awesome to see active participation, especially as this is our first event. By the way, we are a little ahead of schedule. We plan to start in the last quarter. So the competition launched on September 29 and the final day is October 28, in 30 days. That's how we count the volume, which is what some of you wanted to confirm. And I've talked about the prices in detail, but if you are new here, let me summarize. The first winner gets our gold card and gold status for the biggest trading volume. That is VIP status for life. It gives all the biggest EarnBIT benefits, including discounts on trading fees, which are low already, plus higher staking rewards, privileges in the streaming segments, and basically benefits all across EarnBIT platform. At the same time, we understand not everyone has a lot of crypto to trade, so there is the second option, which called randomizer. You can trade any amount starting from $100, which is the minimum. Even with $100, you are still eligible for the second prize, an amount of EBT equal to your trading volume. So that's it. All right. So here is the first question. I traded some crypto on September 29. But that was before I filled the form. Do I still qualify? Will you include that trading volume in my results? Yeah, so that's a good question. And good news, nothing to worry. Their form is just formally so can identify the participants. If it doesn't matter if you start trading on September 29 but send the form on October 20, we still include you and track. What counts is the trading volume from September 29 to October 28, regardless of the form, and of course your Twitter or X subscription. In the future, we will hold competitions entirely on EarnBIT. Okay, do I have to complete KYC to participate? Well, I don't know what is the problem with KYC. Whatever data you share is perfectly secure. EarnBIT is a regulated and licensed exchange, so we protect users' data to the highest standards. KYC, or Know Your Customer, is indeed mandatory for the trading competition. You can see it in the application form. It is also true that generally users can access some limited platform functionality without this final step. If you wonder why crypto platforms have KYC in place, that is to complete with legal requirements in their jurisdictions. So you may want crypto to be completely decentralized, completely untraceable, but actually this is not the case. There are some rules we follow to fight the bad guys, prevent money laundering, stop terrorism financing, and protect all users. Centralized exchanges, KYC, DeFi exchanges don't, but it also means you cannot have any legal protection there. There are no guarantees because TradeFi laws don't work. DEX don't even have formal management. So, to sum up, KYC is a normal part of trading. There is no need to worry as long as you are dealing with a licensed and regulated business. All right. So, next question. Any updates about new assets? You need to add more coins to attract professional traders. Yeah, so, it's definitely not the first time we're asked, so the topic is really popular. I'm glad to say that EarnBIT is launching trading with two new tokens. First, it's Tether Gold, and this is stable coin, is literally backed by gold, physical gold. It is easy to store, trade, and redeem, and of course, it is used by Tether, the company behind USDT. The second token is EuroT, another stable coin by Tether, backed to the euro. Okay, so the next question, has EBT been listed yet? Not the token, but the exchange. If you follow us on social media, you already know that big news, that is our page on Coin Codex, and this is a popular website for users, investors, traders, and the entire crypto community. And now you can see real-time EarnBIT statistics on the website and their mobile application. So for us, it is another step forward. We are already working on more listings, and we have sent our token listing applications as well. So if you are patient enough, you are sure to see EarnBIT and EBT on the biggest tracking platforms. And another thing, we have been listed on one more website which called ICO Holder. As the name suggests, this is a database of crypto projects, but it also tracks Web3 and NFTs and DeFi. So in just 1 month, September, we have significantly moved forward. This is only the beginning. We are glad that it happens, and we're moving forward. Okay, what next? Where is your tokenomics described? Okay, so our tokenomics is available on this site. Just check the About Us section to find this file and download it. Our pitch deck is also there. And while taking about the platform documentation, I can break most exciting news. I guess you'll be the first to know that our white paper is ready, and it is nearing publication. So as you can imagine, This is not a task to treat lightly. It describes our ecosystem in depth, and we have put a lot of work into it. Let's will help us expand awareness, exposure, and attract investors. On a nutshell, proper EarnBIT forward. So this document details the vision of their ecosystem, the synergy between our exchange and streaming service, both powered by EBT. It shows the features, the benefits, security measures, customer support, and so on. The streaming service is an ecosystem within an ecosystem. It is an organic part of our economy, but also an economy within itself, with donations, affiliate rewards, and more. In addition, there is also our launchpad where you can already list your project or token in just 4 steps. And finally, it's all about the tokenomics: token generation, utility, benefits, and so on. Needless to say, a white paper is one of the key points for investors when assessing new projects. And now we have a full pack. Right, yeah, so the next piece of news, where is the EBT page you promised to add? Yes, I mean, you are asking a lot of questions about our native currency. Now we are finally ready to share the specifics with the general public. In around 2 weeks, you should see a brand new page on our website, the EBT token page. It will provide information about the nature of our token, the mechanics of supply, and of course the benefits and utilities. So it will be the go-to place for all this information, and even more importantly, there will be an embedded application form. While we are in the private sale, you can join other investors and get our discount. Currently it is 10%. Also through their websites, we're giving everyone a quick and easy way to learn more, connect, and apply. Like I said before, EarnBIT is the element that brings our ecosystem together. So it will work with all products on the platform, from trading to staking, from staking to streaming, and most importantly, the token is revenue based, which means its growth is not based on shilling and empty promises. It will depend on the revenue of the entire ecosystem. So this, of course, ensures more attractiveness for serious investors and users alike. For example, what will be able to do with their EBT token? For starters, if you're a trader, you can pay trading fees in EBT to get discounts. As a streamer, you can get donations in our token, earn bigger affiliate rewards, and enjoy plenty of other benefits. Users who watch streams will unlock exclusive contents for free, or with a deep discount. So again, the private sale is already in, and everyone can join. What's more, if you saw our roadmap, you know we are also planning an airdrop. So if you are interested in buying EBT at a discount, just contact us in our chat by marketing email or in any other way. So early investors become part of EarnBIT's future. Okay, so next question. Um, Let me see. It's yeah, okay. Regarding partnership, any new collaboration ideas? Yes, we have made some progress here. If you remember, a few months ago, I mentioned our potential collaboration with Dito Banks. Now it is officially confirmed, so you can see their logo on our website in a partner section. So, what is Dito Banks? For those of you who don't know, it is the first fintech for the unbanked in El Salvador. At least this is how their company uh, positioning itself. It is a now bank and popular payment processor that lets Salvadorians enter the crypto market through fiat gateways. And if you remember, the mission of our company is to make trading available to everyone. This partnership will certainly help us achieve this goal faster and find new avenues for innovation. Okay, so where do we go from here? Why do you pay so much attention to macro news on your Telegram channel? Okay, so yeah, well, to be fair, it is not just the Telegram channel, but also in Twitter, LinkedIn, and Discord, where we post. So yes, we have a special section with macro insights, but it comes out once a week. So I can say there is some kind of domination, but it is interesting that you pay attention. So the idea is to help users think and analyze the market more broadly. Yes, you can stick to their technicals, look at indicators and price action, but it often boils down to what central banks or politicians do. So, macro is about geopolitics, inflation, and stuff like that. Those kinds are just as important as crypto fundamentals. In recent months, we have seen how fears about the Federal Reserve's policy affected cryptos, affected stocks, and sometimes Bitcoin moves in line with the other risk assets, and risk assets are influenced by macro. So it was easy for us to introduce this topic because of in-house expertise. Our team includes market analysts who are seasoned enough to comment on such events. We share their insights with you to make your life as a trader easier. Why not use any more formats like tutorials? Um, Speaking of the formats, you may have seen we now have Telegram stories. We currently post once or twice a day. You can also boost our channel if you have Telegram Premium, so there are more stories per day. Now we are going to launch a series of videos to showcase our platform in action. So they will show how to exchange cryptos easily, how to use our trading charts, and so on. there is a lot of creativity brewing, so you will soon see the results. Actually, crypto is generally a very creative industry, while there is a purely technical side of things with blockchain technology, price charts, and all the coding stuff. There is also this room for imagination. Here I mean creative promotion, fresh design, and so on. We're in a new territory for mankind where imagination runs wild. This is one of the reasons why crypto is so attractive to creative professionals. Right. Are you planning to take part in more live events? Yes, of course. Nothing is stopping us. I'd like to remind you about the NBX Expo. We have made a post about it, but it's worth repeating. So we have passed the first stage of selection for a big investments event in Berlin this December. It is the blockchain festival of Europe called Next Block Expo. We are now candidates for live participation. So that means we can pitch to venture capitalists and angel investors. It's something about over 100 of them in one place, but to do that, we need your voice. So please check our social media channels. You can find this post everywhere and leave your voice. It's really easy. Just follow the link, take a few basic steps, and you can support us. So for us, it is a great opportunity to widen their exposure and spread the word. Although we are already actively negotiating with the crypto funds, a lot of investors, this event is a great opportunity to reach out to many of them at the same time. Why don't you post more on YouTube? AMAs come out once a month. You gotta be more active. Yes, a perfectly valid question. You may have noticed that we launched our YouTube Shorts. That first video is their description of our gold card, and it has really generated a lot of views. Of course, we're going to continue because this format is very accessible, understandable, and it is in high demand. Also, following wise, we see splendid dynamics here with new subscribers, new views, and likes. So the follower count in growing, which proves that what we do sparks interest. So thank you very much to all of you who are watching now and who watched our videos before. Right, so yeah, here comes the next question. Now to a pretty regular question here. How do you feel about crypto market today? So this week we've had some great news because Bitcoin flew above 28K. So it finally happened. It was a 6-week high, but the question was, will it last? And it didn't. I don't want to be pessimistic or optimistic. I'm trying to be a realist here. Yes, we can see some very positive factors in and outside crypto, like ETFs, optimism. So now we can expect exchange traded funds connected not just to futures, but also to spot Bitcoin and Ether. At the same time, the Federal Reserve seems ready to pause the interest rate hikes. Overall, the market is getting a bit of a break now. It's good because people are tired of this constant downward pressure. At the same time, you have to think about how lasting the effects are. So I cannot give any investment advice, but I think anyone can see some metric in their DCA. When you just invest money at regular intervals, regardless of the market situation, you think less about the bad news. Yet DCA is not everybody's cup. So please do your own research, make your own decisions, and don't rely on anybody's opinion, whether it's mine or Michael Saylor's or anyone else. And that is so basically our message on social media. We provide background information for your own decision making. All macro reviews and insights, price overviews, all of it is to help you make your own decision with enough supporting evidence. All right, so let me see what else do we have here. Any changes in the team? Yes, another good question. So, as you know, we have been hiring fundraising managers. Last month, we welcomed new members to their EarnBIT family, including their head of fundraising, Anna. Having a department makes fundraising way easier. And I cannot disclose the figures, but the progress is very, very impressive. If you have experience with fundraising, you can still apply. Find us on LinkedIn or send a message in Telegram chat. So we may consider your CV in the future. You really need to add DeFi features. It is great to receive ideas from users because they show the actual impression we make. We've been getting some recommendations about their interface, the trading pairs and integrations. So for example, some traders would like 200-time leverage. Others say we must integrate Web3 wallets to attract the DeFi crowd. If you just look at our roadmap, you will see that Web3 is there, planned for their future. Our range of pairs is growing. So we're not standing still. We are also adding copy trading next year. And of course, the highlight of all highlights, our streaming service is our priority. All right. That was the final question. So thanks a lot for watching and see you next time. Please feel free to comment, like, share, and leave questions for the next AMA. You can contact our team 24/7. The links are in our YouTube profile. So thank you very much. Have a great day. Goodbye.